What's going on, everybody? Welcome to your first installment of the Audi Technology Updates. I'm your host, Ryan, your resident Audi technologist, and today we are going to go over some really cool Audi Connect features that Audi's added. It's not an update we're waiting for on the 14s, it's something that we have for right now, so let's get to it.
So first things first, we go into navigation, and then from there we go into info, and right now we're going into Audi Connect. Now you want to make a data connection so we can start making some connectivity, and you're going to see some of the same features that you're already used to: weather, fuel prices, travel information, and news. The two new features, of course, are city events and parking. So we're going into city events. Now from here we're going to go to the immediate vicinity, and now you see all of these different nice cool things we can go to. So let's try sports out for example. Now if we wanted to go to the Orioles game, you just scroll to the Orioles game. And right now they're playing Los Angeles, and we see all of this cool information about Camden Yards. And we could go and set that as a destination. You could also call the place, maybe get some tickets to the game when you drive there. Now we have that destination set in. So if we go to parking recommendations, we could do it in the vicinity of the destination, and this is where it gets really cool. So now we have our destination set in. It would be nice to know some of the parking prices as well as the locations and how far they are. So if we set this as a stopover, now we have a destination set in and our stopover being the parking. Now say for example we wanted to have Camden Yards appear as the first on the list instead of the parking, because it'd be nice to know how to get back to the stadium, of course, from the place you're parking. So now we have set and moved Camden Yards to the top of the list, and now we're going to start route guidance. The last thing we want to do is if we scroll down to the parking coordinates, we can actually display the destination on the map. So it's the really great thing about this is you can go and zoom all the way in and see what this parking place is actually going to look like. Sometimes these places are pretty disguised and hard to see, so it would be nice to know before you even get there exactly what the place is going to look like. Now as this application continues to improve, it should even report in parking availability within the locations that it's giving you, bringing Audi to a whole new level of both convenience and functionality.
Now it's important to remember this update should have come for every model with Audi Connect. So if you have Audi Connect, you should be able to enjoy this really cool feature. So that's all we have. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was helpful. I'm your host Ryan. See you next time.